Good morning from Ipoh, Perak, Malaysia, a city famed for its incredible street food. After 1 week in Ipoh, it's time to move on to the next destination. Today, I am hopping aboard Malaysia's efficient and comfortable electric train service, or ETS, for a scenic ride from Ipoh to the bustling capital, Kuala Lumpur. My journey begins at Ipoh railway station, a stunning architectural masterpiece often referred to as the Taj Mahal of Ipoh, and it's easy to see why. This magnificent building, opened in 1917, is the work of Arthur Benison Hubbard, the same brilliant architect behind Kuala Lumpur's iconic railway station and the Jamek Mosque. Hubbard's blend of Mughal and European styles is truly captivating. Interestingly, this station even played a role in Hollywood, serving as a filming location for the movie Anna and the King. Ipoh railway station is about 20 minutes walk from French Hotel Ipoh, where I stayed. Before we board, let's talk tickets. The ETS is a popular choice, especially on weekends, so booking in advance is highly recommended. You can easily purchase tickets online through the ETS website or their mobile app. I chose to buy tickets through the app for its enhanced security and download feature, even though it occasionally froze. You can also buy tickets here at the counter at the station. Ticket prices range from 30 ringgit to 45 ringgit, depending on whether you choose the silver or gold service. Silver makes all stops, gold has fewer stops, and platinum is the express service with the least number of stops, and even includes complimentary snacks. I am travelling on the gold service today. Time to board. It's a good idea to arrive about 30 minutes before departure. We'll need to scan our tickets at the turnstiles. You can use a printed copy or a digital version on your phone. The coach numbers are clearly marked out along the platform. Let's find our seats. It's important to sit in your assigned seat to avoid any confusion. The ETS train is incredibly comfortable. The carriages are air-conditioned, with spacious reclining seats and power outlets. The ETS also offers a range of onboard amenities, including luggage racks, located at the end of each carriage. If there is no space in the luggage racks, there are also overhead compartments to store your bags. Each washroom has a Western-style toilet, sink, and hand soap. Toilet paper is provided instead of dryers. A limited selection of pre-packed meals and drinks are available in the food and beverage carriage. Drinks consist of instant powder mixes and bottled water.
Thank you for choosing ETS. You are now on board the ETS Gold. The final destination for this train is KL Central Station.
And the best part? The views. Forget the highway. The scenery from the train is so much more rewarding. Lush greenery, charming towns, and glimpses of rural Malaysian life unfold before your eyes. The journey from Ipoh to KL Central takes about 2.5 hours. It's a smooth and efficient ride. We've arrived in Kuala Lumpur. I've decided to alight at the historic Kuala Lumpur Old Railway Station, as my hotel is located nearby in Chinatown. This stunning station, also designed by Arthur Benison Hubbard, served as the main gateway to Kuala Lumpur for over 90 years. From here, it's easy to catch a grab car or taxi to your final destination in the city. Overall, I enjoyed my ETS train ride. It was a comfortable, convenient and scenic travel option between Ipoh and Kuala Lumpur. I highly recommend it if you are travelling within Malaysia.